What if I told you that the greatest threats to our society aren't the ones we see on the nightly news? They aren't foreign armies or sudden cataclysms. They are quieter, more insidious. They are the choices we make every day, the compromises we accept. They are the 7 social sins. This powerful list wasn't conceived in the age of the internet or 24-hour news cycles. It was first articulated by an Anglican priest named Frederick Lewis Donaldson in 1925 and later popularized by Mahatma Gandhi that same year. Gandhi saw these as the fundamental failures that could unravel a society from within. And when you look closely, you'll see their reflection in the world around us today. Let's break them down. First, wealth without work. This isn't just about get-rich-quick schemes or winning the lottery. It's about a system that increasingly rewards speculation over labor. It's the corporate executive who earns an exorbitant salary while their employees struggle with stagnant wages. It's profiting from investments that exploit others or the environment. It's the desire to reap the rewards without sowing the seeds of genuine effort and contribution. This creates a society of inequality, where the gap between the rich and the poor widens into a chasm. Next, we have pleasure without conscience. In our pursuit of happiness, it's easy to forget the cost. This sin speaks to the moments we seek gratification without considering the consequences for others, for our health, or for the planet. It's the fast fashion purchase that fuels exploitative labor practices, the indulgent meal that contributes to environmental degradation, or the entertainment that desensitizes us to violence. It's a hollow happiness, one that leaves a trail of harm in its wake. The third sin is a truly modern dilemma: knowledge without character. We live in the age of information, with the entirety of human knowledge at our fingertips. But what good is that knowledge without the wisdom and integrity to use it ethically? This sin is embodied by the brilliant mind that creates a weapon of mass destruction, the tech innovator who designs an addictive and socially corrosive app, or the eloquent speaker who uses their words to spread division and hate. Knowledge gives you power, but character earns respect. Then, there is commerce without morality. Business is the engine of our world, but when profit becomes the only god, humanity suffers. This sin is visible in the company that cuts corners on safety to save a few dollars, the industry that knowingly pollutes our air and water, and the marketing that preys on our insecurities. It's the belief that the bottom line is more important than the well-being of people and the planet. The fifth sin is a warning: science without humanity. Science has given us incredible gifts. Medicines that save lives, technologies that connect us, and a deeper understanding of our universe. But when science is divorced from a sense of human responsibility, it can become a monster. This sin is the creation of technologies that can lead to our own destruction, the pursuit of progress without considering the ethical implications, and the treatment of human beings as mere subjects of experimentation. The sixth sin may be the most personal: religion without sacrifice. This isn't about grand gestures, but about the true meaning of faith. It's about practicing a religion that is comfortable and convenient, one that makes us feel good but doesn't challenge us to be better. It's singing hymns on Sunday but ignoring the poor and marginalized on Monday. It is the outward show of piety without the inner commitment to compassion, service, and selflessness. Finally, we arrive at the seventh sin, one that arguably enables all the others: politics without principle. This is what happens when leaders prioritize power and party over people and progress. It is the politics of fear, division, and personal gain. It's the broken promises, the erosion of truth, and the creation of unjust laws that serve the few at the expense of the many. When our leaders lack a moral compass, the ship of state is lost at sea. These 7 social sins are not a prophecy of doom. They are a mirror, reflecting the darker aspects of our collective behavior. But they are also a call to action. Gandhi believed that by understanding these acts of passive violence, we could prevent the eruption of physical violence. To build a better world, we must strive for wealth that is earned through honest work, pleasure that is mindful of its impact, knowledge guided by character, commerce that is ethical, science that serves humanity, religion that inspires sacrifice, and politics that are rooted in principle. The change doesn't start in the halls of power. It starts with us, in our homes, in our communities, and in our own hearts. Please like and share to help spread awareness. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section.